welcome back to my channel. I am coming back at you guys with another video, and today I'm gonna do a New Year's Eve look using the 35V palette for Morphe. If you want to stick around and see what I've done with the face, and then keep on watching. But before we get on with the video, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Hi, how are you? Hi guys, how are you guys? How was your holidays? What did you guys get for Christmas? Let me know. So my Christmas was really chill, guys. It was such a blessing. My family cooked, we ate, we drank, we had a ball, and I'm very blessed. So let me know what you guys did and let's talk about it, right? Right now, I am gonna be doing my makeup once again, and I promise you guys a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial, so that's what I'm gonna do. Isn't this kind of pretty? I wasn't gonna get it, but I saw Morphe's campaign for this palette, and I was just like, okay, I'm sold, so I'm gonna get it, and I'm gonna do a New Year's Eve look with it. So I'm gonna work with these colors today because I feel like I don't really work with blues and cool tones that often. I'm usually a warm tone girl. I feel like New Year's Eve screams blues, it screams grays, white, sparkles. So I feel like with this palette right here, this side of the palette, I'm gonna achieve that look today. So that's what we're gonna be working with. So let's go. I already did my eyebrows, which I always do. But if you guys want to see a eyebrow tutorial, because I've seen a few people ask for it, I will. Literally, I just use a pencil and then I just carve it out with a concealer. It's no big tricks, and sometimes I add shadows at the end, but that's when I feel like it. Honestly, I don't really do much at all. I am sweaty boots. I might just have to take this off. I hope you guys don't mind. This is the 35V palette called Stunning Vibes. I really like the name of this palette, Stunning, and literally this palette is stunning. Okay, let's see what we're working with. You got your plums here, you got your warm tones, you got your little shimmers here, you got your cool tones, blues, grays, you have a little green right here. I feel like I want to work with this color because I never really do. Oh, this blue right here looks stunning. I don't know what to do. We're gonna freestyle this like usual. So we're gonna go in with, let's go in with this pukey color right here. Let's see what color that is. And this is the color Vixen right here. And this old brush right here. This is from the Bomb, and I got this over 8 years ago. So yeah, that was like, this was one of my first makeup brushes, and it's still rocking today. No shedding, no nothing. So I'm just saying, I'm bringing it all the way up, almost close to my brow bones, because I feel like I don't have a lot of lid space, so I try to use as much as I can. So we're going all the way up. Don't mind the oils, guys. It's really hot in my home today. The heat is on, blazing. I don't know why. It's very subtle, but I kind of like it, and I feel like the camera's not really picking up the actual prettiness of this transitional. Like, this is something that I would probably wear like just to put on the crease and then go, like a everyday type look. But it's a pretty transitional. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Spice just to deepen that transitional. So this is the color Spice right here. So we used Vixen, now we're gonna go in with Spice, which is a really pretty color, by the way, and I'm using the same brush. And then we're just gonna go just a little bit below what I did. So okay, now it's coming along. Now you see something. Wow, I really like this transitional color. Like, I already have an idea of what I want to do next with this. When I do my makeup look, I like to build it from light to dark. I can't understand how people go from dark to light. I don't know. Maybe I'm old school when it comes to applying my makeup. I just can't. Or maybe I'm just so used to how I do my makeup that I don't want to try different techniques. I don't know. But I don't get how people do that. Like Mitchell, he's just a brilliant makeup artist. Like, I could just look at my phone and just watch him apply makeup on people, and it's like, wow. But honestly, I don't think I could do something like that, or I don't think I could start from dark and then build it to light, if that makes sense. I gotta try it. Maybe I should do a video on trying out a Mitchell's makeup technique. Maybe I should do that. If you guys want to see something like that, let me know, and I'll get that video out there for you. So that's how the transitional color is looking like. Boom, boom, boom. Now we're gonna go in with a little darker color. I'm gonna go into the color Fling, which is this color right here, which is a nice pretty blue. And it's gonna go right in the crease just so I can deepen it. And then I'm gonna use my M54 brush, which is honestly one of my favorite brushes. And then we're just gonna go right in the crease, because we are doing a Smokey for New Year's. I'm just going back and forth, wind swiper motion and circle motions as well. That's what I do. And I'm just going all the way into my corners and out. Well, it doesn't matter if you get this color in the lid, because we're gonna put a really pretty color in the lid. But try to save as much space in the lid as possible. But if you don't, it's no biggie. This color is like a gray blue. Just pretty, I like it. Never did this type of color in my eyes before. So this is how it's looking like so far, which is looking type good. Now I'm gonna go back in with that balm brush, and I'm just gonna kind of just blend out the edges a little bit so it could be seamless. Doesn't look crazy. Doesn't matter. Kind of sweep in the rest of the color into your transitional, so you can have like this nice smoky effect going on here. Remember, blending is really key into a smoky. You can't have any harsh lines. So that's the reason why you have to take your time with smoky. So just take your time and everything should be fine. I'm gonna take my MAC 213 brush right here. I have my continuous spray right here. I'm gonna spray this brush. I'm gonna go into the color Ride or Die. It's like a metallic green color. Right here is like a green bluish type teal color. I never did a color like this before. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And we're gonna place that all over the lids just to get that metallical feel going. So I'm just gonna put that all over the lids. And when I'm doing it, I'm just tapping it. I'm not swiping it in. I'm just tapping it. Because I noticed that when you tap, it's not going to disturb your eyeshadow. You know something, this will look really pretty on top of a black base. I just thought of that. I should have did that, but it's okay. You know, you live and you learn, and that's what happens when you freestyle a look. So this is how it's looking like so far, which looks really pretty. So I'm just gonna take more of that color Fling and I'm just gonna deepen it a little bit more. I'm not adding any product or anything. I feel like I lost some of that color while applying the color Rider dye. So we are gonna add a little bit more. Smokies, you continuously have to keep going back and forth between colors, so you can build and stuff like that. So now we're gonna add a little bit of black in the outer corners. I'm gonna be taking the same brush again, the M514, and then I'm gonna go in with the color Little Black Book. One of my favorite brushes from Morphe, the M514, because it's just a nice, pretty detailed brush. So we're just gonna go in here and do some type of circular motions, just lightly. And you don't want to go too crazy on black, because if you go in with a crazy heavy hand with black, it could go all wrong, you know what I mean? So we're gonna keep doing that. So I started out in the outer corners, and then I'm just doing circular motions into the outer corner. Okay, and then kind of just sweep it in just a little bit. Like I said, with black, you gotta keep building it, keep building it. Okay, I'm kind of feeling this eye look. I think I'm doing a good job. So we're just gonna add a little bit more, because sometimes it fades when you're doing other things, you know, so you don't want to forget about the lids. So that's how it's looking like. So I'm gonna be taking the Holy Grail NYX matte eyeliner. Love this joint, and I'm just gonna do a wing. I'm winging this out. I hate doing wings on camera, y'all. So now we're gonna do something totally different. I usually just do my Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation by itself, but I'm gonna mix my new L'Oreal foundation and see what I get. Yeah, foundation. Now I'm gonna use my Can't Stop Won't Stop in Caramel Concealer. This is a recent buy, and it's a pretty decent color. I'm just putting some in the center. Okay. I was gonna do a review on this concealer, but I was like, never mind. I do like this concealer. If you'd still want me to do a review on it, let me know. For $8, you really can't go wrong with this concealer. I'm gonna use my discontinued, almost finished NYX Define and Refund powder foundation. Whoa, it's all over the place. It's like, it's done, girl. I'm using every drop of it. So I'm just setting all over my face. I just love how it makes my face look, you know? Now I'm gonna set underneath my eyes the Bobbi Brown Weightless Foundation Powder in the color Golden 6. And I'm gonna be taking my Morphe brush in Y14. I think you can use this as a highlighter brush, but I'm gonna use it to set underneath my eye. Since I have like this type of cool tone type thing going on, I wanna be bronzed to the God's hunty. Then I'm just wanna be baked, honey. Max Pinch Me, which is such a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous blush. And I like to go crazy on my blush because it's the first thing that fades. So now we're gonna go back in with the eyes, because I have an idea that I want to do, and I hope it works out and I don't fuck this shit up. I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo White Pencil in Milk. Then I'm gonna go in with the color Knockout, and then it's like a white shimmery type look, and then I'm gonna put it just on top of that milk color and just kind of bring it into, I just want to bring it into what I got going on here. Now we're gonna go in with Rendezvous, which is this color right here, which is a pretty color, and I'm gonna sweep it underneath my eye. Ooh, okay. I'm just gonna put some lashes on and I'll be right back. Give me one. Okay, so I'm back. So I add lashes and I'm gonna spray again. Give myself a nice button nose. Nothing could beat Cork lip liner, like literally. This is like my favorite lip liner of all time. I use Makeup Shayla's lipstick in Quickie from her collaboration with ColourPop, which came out like last summer. So we're gonna do that. Hello, winter months, glossy time. So we're doing gloss, and I am taking Boy Bait from MAC lip gloss. Okay, so this is how everything turned out, guys. I'm just living for this makeup look. Like, this is definitely a pretty New Year's Eve smoky look. Guys, this palette is life, guys. I absolutely love this palette. I'm so happy I end up purchasing this palette. It's so beautiful. This is definitely a good palette for you guys if you like your blues, if you like your plummy color. It just has everything you need to do an eyeshadow look. This is so cleverly well thought, and I love this palette. I'm definitely gonna do this look again for New Year's Eve. Like, guys, look at this. That's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys thoughts on this makeup look. Do you guys think this is a perfect New Year's Eve look? Let me know. Let me know if you guys are gonna recreate it. If you do, make sure you tag me on Instagram. All my information will be down below. I'm so happy about this look. I'm about to take some selfies, like. But anyway, thank you for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in a few days with another video. Bye, guys.